In the Arvada area, a jammed garbage disposal is more than just a minor inconvenience. It's a disruption to daily life, caused by running it dry, disposing of unsuitable items, or simply neglecting regular maintenance. But fear not, Arvada residents, because help is just a phone call away. Dial 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified plumbing professionals who specialize in repairing and reviving jammed garbage disposals. With expert care, your disposal can be quickly and efficiently restored to its full functionality, ensuring your kitchen remains a place of culinary creativity, not plumbing problems. Don't let a jammed disposal throw a wrench in your day. Call now and get back to smooth kitchen operations in no time.